Hi everyone, my name is Hash and I'm the product manager of DxSale, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to our first product update on YouTube. So before we dive in, I want to take a moment to discuss the purpose behind these product updates. So what is the purpose of our updates? The purpose is, of course, to provide consistent updates to our community members, but it is also an opportunity for us to broadcast them to other channels that will increase our reach across the industry. And by doing so, each product update will help build our legitimacy, reputation, and trust as a professional project in the DeFi space. This will also help increase our ability to network and connect with future partners, as well as increase our brand value, resulting in organic growth and bringing on new users to our platform when it goes live. So that is the why behind our product update. Let's talk about the what. What are we going to be talking about in these product updates? Simply put, they are broken down into three components. Number one, what we've done so far since our last update. This is to summarize and showcase the effort team members have made, and it is an opportunity for us to celebrate our milestones together. Number two, summarize what we are working on now and trying to complete by the next update. This is to ensure that we are committed and held accountable to our objectives. It is also an opportunity for us to discuss some challenges that we might be facing, roadblocks, and also get feedback on certain items that we might be working on. Last but not least, number three, roadmaps, announcement, demo, and anything else that we feel would bring value to the community and our project. Please know not everything would be covered in one product update. For example, roadmaps usually don't tend to change every month, so there might not be a roadmap update each product update. So to summarize, once again, the purpose of these monthly cadences is to build legitimacy, reputation, and trust within our community and the industry. It also helps us focus on the product and providing progress in one forum in a consistent manner. So with that being said, we can now officially start our first product update. So what have we done so far? Well, it's been roughly 2 months since we finished our pre-sale. We raised 444 ETH. Half of that has been logged in Unicrypt. We've also did some housekeeping items. We listed on Uniswap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and many more. We've also listed on our first centralized exchange, Hotbit. This is basically to help avoid high fees and provide an alternative to our community members. The fourth thing we did was we introduced a new DeFi product called DxTake, which we built in 3 weeks. More on that later. And lastly, we reimagined DxSale and DeFi products for 2021. Drilling down into DxTake, I want to take a moment to recognize the hard work DX team has done on this product. We had no plan to build a staking application. It was not part of our roadmap or our light paper, but the development team were more than happy to take on the challenge in bringing initial utility to Sale token by building staking application, while also researching and still continuing their work on the launchpad. So I wanted to share some metrics with everyone regarding DxTake. Total sale that we've staked in contract is about 3 million sale. This is roughly about 25% of our circulating supply. Sale that has been burned by this staking application is 129,000 sale, and our effective market cap is about 200,000 So reading these metrics out makes me very excited and humbled for what's to come, because we got a lot of positive feedback from the community about how great the user experience is, how elegant it was. There weren't a lot of issues with the applications, and because of that, it reignited us to keep that strategy and that mentality forward for our launchpad. So just another shout out to our community. You guys are awesome, and thank you for believing in us. For 200K market cap to have 3 million sales staked is incredible. And if you think DxTake was a great product, wait until you see our alpha launchpad. I promise you will not be disappointed, and we won't let you down. So that's the metric side of things. Next, I'd like to talk briefly about how we are going to take DxTake to the next level. Because DxTake has all of the core functions already built in as part of the version 1, it will not be difficult to add things on top to make it a very robust staking system. This will allow us to merge our future revenue streams to DxTake, creating a ridiculous high APY treasury system that is not limited to the amount of sale you have. Meaning, as long as you meet the minimum requirement to stake, you are able to reap the benefits of DxTake. You do not need to be a top wallet holder to take advantage of this system. But more on that will come later in future product updates, as currently all hands are on deck for DX launch. So drilling down into number 5, reimagining DxSale and DeFi products for 2021. As mentioned on my previous slide, DxTake gave us an opportunity to reimagine our product, and in doing so gave birth to additional way of bringing utility to Sale token for 2021. Firstly, we created a simplified vision statement that reflects the principles of DxSale. Here is the statement. Our vision is to provide the best user experience within the token lifecycle, meaning that every product that we make under the DX banner will have the highest user experience possible, and also they will service towards tokens across multiple blockchains. So what is our product strategy and our product lineup for 2020 and 2021? So here is kind of our rebranding and the way we see DxSale as a whole evolving in the upcoming year. So first off, notice that each product will be accompanied by its own logo. This is to build the brand of DxSale overall, and also gives each product its own identity. This is by design to make sure that we are in alignment with our vision statement. So starting from the left, DxTake, this is the version 1 of our staking platform to bring in the initial utility of Sale token. It's been live for about a month now, and the next product that we are working on is DX Launch. This is our decentralized governed launchpad for tokens. The next is DX Swap, DX Lock, and DX Farm, which is based on Uniswap, Unicrypt, and Yifi. But we have some ideas that we will be using to take it to the next level within our ecosystem. For now, we are keeping things tightly sealed until we are ready to share more details on the products and our rollout strategy. Lastly, we are brainstorming opportunities within the NFT space as well, because NFTs are not your typical ERC20 tokens. So we're looking for different ways on how we can bring NFTs into our ecosystem down the road. Lastly, I want to re-emphasize that all products are not isolated. They will work together as part of an ecosystem under the DX banner. So this concludes the first part of our product update, which was what have we been working on for the past 2 months. Next, I want to go into what we are currently doing now, or what have we been working on up to now. So, what are we working on now? So, the first thing is, of course, DX launch. We're very excited about what we will be showing you guys in the upcoming weeks for DX launch. I think you guys are going to get very surprised on what we have to present for our alpha. So we've finalized the scope of the features. We've done the UI UX. The backend smart contracts are also developed and are just being tested. The third thing is, of course, the rebranding, because we have created all these products for 2021 and we have redesigned our logo. It's important that we rebrand our website to really reflect who we are and what we are achieving or aiming to do for 2021. This is a bit part of the smart contract stuff, but it goes a bit further down the road where we are figuring out how the math between each of the products, currently DxTake and DxLaunch, will work in an elegant way to bring a lot of value to both products using the sale token. And lastly, the marketing materials for DX sale launch. So YouTube demos, sneak peeks, AMAs, Twitter, that's also being worked on. So we want to make a very good marketing rollout strategy this time, because DX launches is not a small system that we are rolling out. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you to everyone for joining our product update for October 2020. We will be having more and more updates on YouTube channel regarding roadmap updates or rollout strategies, and also some announcements here and there. But we will try to do all of these things in a cadence, in a consistent manner, so that we can really focus more on the product itself and then wrap up the marketing once the product is out. So thank you for joining, and farewell.